Well, it's been a while, hasn't it? You probably clicked on this video to see if the blue snow foam is actually any good. Will it dye my car? Does it work like snow foam should? Stay tuned to find out. After a drive in the Pennines, this is the current state of my car. There are many stages to this detail and it can become very tedious, but well worth it in the end. By no means am I a professional, but I will definitely give this a good go. Hope you enjoy. Before we do a contact wash, we need to do a contactless wash. I know, fancy, right? This is a multi-purpose cleaner to help soften the dirt. We spray the full car and then rinse off. Before applying the snow foam, I like to clean my alloys. There's no particular reason why I do it in this order. That's just what I'm used to. I used Auto Finesse Iron Out on the alloy to remove all the brake dust and any contaminants. And then I just used multi-purpose cleaner on the tyres and wheel arches to agitate the dirt. Now here comes the thing that you've all been waiting for, the blue snow foam. The main purpose of using snow foam is to lift loose dirt, preventing any further scratching during the contact wash. Now I'm going to spray it on the car, ensuring that I cover the full thing.
I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it, she tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow. What niggas that talk like they bad it, they know that we got it. They talk far from actual. I make the waves so tsunami, I dare you to paddle it. The trunk steady rattling. Blowing top tier to keep my dogs clear. I see the opt in there, I'm on my shot, call a big boss. That never know the time, I'm never clocking in. Wildflower, I'm like Denzel, I've been in men on 5. From hot lava, you are not scarred, you are proudly. I'm a real to the cover still. Heart shield from all this talking real. Reach the life feel like a highlight reel. Currently thumbing through currency, I'm from the avenue. I'ma get it regardless. I told little baby to slide with that lotus, pull up with the garden. My guard is down till you come around, trying to hold you some. Give up how you feel, I don't owe you nothing. Now you trying to make amends. I'm just trying to get the fortunes. Trying to cut my mama fortress. Pop might pull up in a Porsche. I used to be quiet, was timid. They used to catch me skipping courses. Now they snapping portrait. Hard head but never forced it. I got a pin it shine like it's supposed to. The way I deliver they posed to. My neck got a compass to know where we going. It sound like I'm stepping through portals. I'm off of that poison the devil be calling, but I just ignore it, hit for it. The task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it. Wait, the task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it.
Now because we did this on a warm sunny day, I didn't leave the coloured snow foam on for too long as I didn't want to dye the car.
When I touch stage, but they packed in, got a pretty thing to make a back bend. Let me see it all through the glass lens. Had some people try to snake if I see you, I'm teed up, might greet you with brass hands. Skate off fast, put a buck on the dash, and somewhere fast, pull my feet up, wait, hold up the label, just call me the Tevin. They just cut the check, so I'm up in the slit. I take for Jake to the neck, then I stretch to start my day, I hit the cash dance. It's different now, I was down then, but that's all in the past tense, so I can't stop till I'm top 10, and I'm not.
It's time for the contact wash. Here I'm using Auto Bright Direct Banana Shampoo, which is a new shampoo I'm trying out. Whilst doing this, you only want to wash in straight lines, not in circles. You don't want to be leaving those nasty swirl marks behind. Here you can see I'm going left to right with my wash mitt, turning it over when one side is contaminated. Tedious, right? Once the whole car's been washed, then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. We're going to move on to the clay barring stage now, which will remove any tar that's stuck on the car, any contaminants that I couldn't get off during the wash process. For this, we're going to be using the water that's left over on the car and Auto Finesse's Glide. We're also going to see which performs better, the clay bar or the clay mitt. Now, I'm no good at machine polishing, nor do I know the steps to it, but Auto Finesse came out with a one-step machine polish, so we thought we'd give it a go. And surprisingly, it did okay. Once clay barred and polished, there is no longer any protection on the car, so we applied Hydro Slick to the full car for that ceramic beading effect. I'm going to give the car one last snow foam to remove any polish or unwanted solutions. To dry the car, I used two methods: the soft microfiber towel to remove most of the water, then the blower to get into spaces that I can't reach with a towel. To finish the car off, I applied Maguire's tyre dressing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, comment a car that you want me to detail. Enjoy the reveal.
Josh, don't do that shit.
Knocking, boots broom on Mogley. When I pop out like likeness. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that. In the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bonds me. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a promise. She want seed, told her nothing in a blossom. Badging me for info at the shipper to Wisconsin. Only good for the lozenge. My whole contact list said it, I don't even want it. Ting showed a jet love, but it never meant much. Never make decisions off a head rush. I've been down to 10 bucks. IRS kept track for 10 months. Had to switch how I went about it. Dues paid, collected all the loose change that I had left. Blew it on a new game. Set the high score, played it in machine stops. King's Cross, had to reconnect the way the jeans start. And get the deed done. They expected me to switch when I receive love. Gotta let the marathon run its natural course. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots broom on Mogley. When I pop out like likeness. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that. In the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bonds me. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a promise. I should be ashamed, man, I've said it to a few birds. Made them think that they was mine, gave them new purse. And attention, it got to their head quick. Will I ever learn? That's a good question. Damn, a lot of pressure, so I gotta pop. And I love it like I kinda pop. Sorry that y'all gotta watch. BKT's up on the truck. The boys are counting on me, need to make it out the mud. So for them, I get the deed done. When I receive love, you know the whole team up.